Today we introduce a product named Aqara Smart Motion Sensor, which needs to connect with multifunctional gateway devices. It will give out alarms and switch colors by vibration, inclination, and falling. Besides, it can control other smart home devices through Mijia app. As long as you make settings in this app, you can set functions like knock, open, or tilt it. Let us show it clearly. There is an adhesive on the back of this sensor, which can make it stick on the wall or other places. Look, we put it in the box, and we knock the box, the light turns on. Knock it again, it changes color. Now we show this sensor how smart it is by connecting smart home devices. This is a home simulation scenario. As long as we open this box, the curtain will be controlled to open or close, and the lights will be on or off. Please enjoy it. There is a key point that it will go to the next step at intervals of 1 minute. Okay, let's enjoy other display like this. If we open this box including this sensor, the alarm will go on. If you remove this box, it also alarms, which can protect your belongings. This is Aqara Smart Motion Sensor. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.